Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video because I am announcing my 500 subscriber giveaway. 500 subscribers, you guys, that is so amazing to me. It is so exciting. And I honestly can't believe that I have managed to get 500 people to hit that subscribe button for me. It's like, it just makes me so incredibly happy. So thank you to each and every single one of you that have hit that subscribe button. And if you are new here and this is the first time that you are visiting my channel, I would absolutely love to have you hit the subscribe button and see more videos from me. I do post twice a week. I do a lot of lifestyle videos, cleaning videos, law of attraction, some weight loss. There's a little bit of everything in there for everybody. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that I can keep growing and keep doing more giveaways, which is what we're getting to now. And that is the giveaway. So I really wanted to reward my followers, and I want to just have like a draw where I'm going to be giving away an Amazon gift card. And the way to enter this giveaway is really, really simple. All I need you to do is make sure that you are following me here with your post notifications turned on, and comment down below that you have done that, and go over to my Instagram and answer the question over there. So I'm going to have my Instagram linked in the description box below. There's going to be a post. It's going to be a photo, a 500 subscriber giveaway photo on my Instagram. And it's going to be just asking for questions because I'm going to be doing an upcoming Q&A. And all I need you to do is leave me a question on that photo and be following me over there. So once again, just to recap, be following me on YouTube with the bell notifications turned on, and comment down below in this video that you have done that. And then follow me on Instagram and leave a question for me in my photo post over there. So I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions, just shoot them in the comment box down below and I will answer them. But I think that made sense, I hope. And then I will just be picking the winner at random, and the winner will be announced in the Q&A follow-up video that I have coming up in a couple of weeks for this. So I'll be doing a Q&A, and then at the end I will announce who the winner is. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Really, really simple to enter. And once again, I just wanted to say thank you guys so very much for supporting me. I have another channel, a BOOKTUBE channel, and I've been having it for over a year and a half now, and I still don't have 500 subscribers over there. So this really means a lot to me that this channel is doing really well, and I appreciate every single one of you. So thank you guys so very much, and I can't wait to see the questions that I get. Nothing is off limits, so go ahead over to my Instagram and ask me some questions, and we'll come back here for a Q&A in a couple of weeks. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.